What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and as you may or may not know, every single day I search for Hot Wheels, and today is no different, and I was successful. I actually found a car I'd been looking for the past week or so, and I found a couple others that I like, but well, let's get to that right now. So, first things first, let's go with the Honda. We got a 2018 Honda Civic Type R with some radical graphics all over it. Oh, and I just noticed this casting has side view mirrors. It also has headlights, but no taillights. I like this car quite a bit. I think I would like it better if it just had a solid color, you know, like a regular car you'd see on the street. But it is still pretty cool. Got some nice black wheels. Let's go ahead and rip it up and let's see what it looks like up close. There we go. And there it is. There's a side view of the Type R. Second Type R of the day. Honda Racing, very nice. Honda Genuine accessories, also very cool. Got the red Honda badge, the Type R badging. Got nice LED headlights. Like those black wheels. Got a Type R wing. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know much about this year of Honda. I'm more of a 90s Honda guy, but I still like this car quite a bit. Very cool looking. Again, there's the plastic base right there. Very nice. Got the Honda H up top. There we are. Got a little hood scoop. I dig it quite a bit. I was happy to find this one. I don't see a lot of Hondas out in the wild, so that was pretty cool. Let's put that right there next to my other amazing video, other amazing cars that I had in my last video. And the next one up, we got this nice green Jaguar Project 8. Awesome green metallic color. It's kind of hard to pick it up on camera. Oh, look, it's got taillights. It's got the Jaguar logo. Got headlights and another logo. Man, I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh, there we go. Now you can really see that green. Got big moonroof. Let's see if we get even more light. There we go. Very, very cool. There's the front of it right there, nice and up close. That sparkly green paint. So rad. Let's check out the back. Oh, that is awesome. You can really make out that logo, that emblem. Very cool. The taillights look really nice. And then there's the plastic base right there. Man, I didn't think I was going to like this car that much, but, you know, it's really nice. Got a little lip on there. Very, very cool. I actually like this one quite a bit. That green paint really pops. That's great. Love that car. All right, let's put that right there. And last, but definitely not least, this is the vehicle I've been looking for ever since I saw it on a Diecast Dude video. If you haven't checked him out already, you definitely should. But check it out. I got the Land Rover Defender 90. This thing is pretty sweet. I see a lot of people finding these and flipping them on eBay, because I guess there's a little bit of a markup on those that people are willing to pay. But I was lucky enough to find one today in the wild. It's awesome red paint, white 5-spoke wheels. Again, it has side view mirrors, which is awesome. Yeah, I can't wait. Let's gotta get to it. Oh, wow. Check that out. This thing is tough. So rad. I want to find a green one. It'd be close to like Dennis's from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Got a sunroof. Man, this thing is sweet. A spare on the back. Wow. This one is rad. Probably one of my favorite castings that's like, you know, non-Lambo, non-Honda. So awesome. This thing just begs to be painted. Like those headlights and taillights. So sick. Awesome car. Alright, you guys, that pretty much does it for the video. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe if you have not already, and do me a favor and like the video, and we will see you tomorrow.